Goodway, rubber stock. Okay, rubber, not gloves. It's just rubber. Okay, so this is the consolidation period before the rally, the breakout happened. Now this stock, if you remember, okay, I think 2 weeks ago we were talking about this Goodway. So let's take a look. Okay, you can see very clearly who is in control over here. Goodway chart is showing you buyer in control, but the next thing you want to check is, okay, especially for those of you who don't know what this stock is doing, Goodway, you come to the fundamentals. Okay, now charts tells you when to buy, can you still hold, and when to sell. But the company itself, you must first establish a knowledge about the company. What is this company doing? Is the company in the sector that is going to go up? Is there a catalyst for the stock to go up? So you come to this and then you put the stock name right here, Goodway. Okay, now once you go into this, we call it the ESP Master FA. Okay, available right here. If you click on the FA, it will pop up. Okay, it will pop up. Now what you are looking at is Goodway with its health check. Now health check, let me just tell you about health check. So dividend health check, it will tell you whether this company is giving out dividend or not. So you see NA means Goodway doesn't give out dividends. Okay, some other stock, for example AirAsia, you will see the dividend health check high. Okay, but this is based AirAsia high. Okay, this is based on 5-year what you call that, 5-year of annual report. 5-year annual report. So using the 5-year annual report, and it doesn't have the COVID-19 report yet, because COVID-19 this 2020 hasn't over yet, so the annual report hasn't published yet. So once it's published, I think this one is gone, this one is gone, this one is gone. Okay, so this is a very good example to show you what is the health check means. Okay, so dividend health check, AirAsia used to have high dividend health check because this company dividend health check would mean that this company is giving you dividend from its cash flow and it is sustainable. It is not using bank loan, it's not borrowing money from the bank to give you a dividend. Now operation health check is checking the company's revenue and income trend. Okay, income trend, is it making money or not? Okay, if it's trending nicely, it will be above average. Then liquidity health check is the cash flow. So AirAsia, even before COVID-19, the cash flow is low. Okay, debt level of the company, AirAsia high debt, rightly so. We know the planes are all on loan, borrow from the bank to buy the planes. Okay, profitability high. Okay, effectiveness, return on equity is high. Financial health check worse. Okay, when you see this combination, high debt with worse financial, this is a recipe for danger. Awas. Why? Because financial health check will tell you how likely it is able to fund the interest of the debt that it loaned from the banks. Okay, if you see worse, it means that it is very tight. Okay, it is very tight, and you can counter check cash flow low. Cash flow low confirm very tight. So when it's very tight, anything happen to the airline industry, like what you see in COVID-19 now, planes are not flying, everywhere locked down, they will kena big time. So rightly so. Now we all know AirAsia is not making money because no one is flying. So they have to raise money, okay, to keep the operation going and wait it out. Wait for the COVID-19 to be over to be able to fly again. So the slogan from now everyone can fly become now everyone cannot fly. Okay, so this is AirAsia. Just now we were at one stock, right? Goodway. So let's come to Goodway. Okay, now Goodway, you see the high debt, but you see the financial object is good. That means it has enough cash flow to pay the interest of the loans from the bank. Okay, so this is the 5-year. Remember, this health check is based on the 5-year annual report. It doesn't change. It only change once a year when the annual report is out. Okay, so I'm going to change to TTM, trading 12 months, to show you. Okay, now this is what the company is doing. Tires, rubber products. Okay, so you can read what is the company doing, what kind of product is it supplying. So you can see a lot of wheels, tire. Okay, and this is the earnings of the company. you can see that it is still a loss-making company, Goodway. Okay, loss-making company, then you scratch your head. Loss-making company, why is the chart bullish there? Okay, from the earnings, what we can see from here is, can you see this is the 2020 Q3 and 2020 Q4? There was a marked improvement. That means the company suffer lesser loss. Okay, suffer lesser loss. In fact, it half the loss it achieved in Q3. So Q4 got significantly better. So if you see a chart like this, so if you see the chart like this, it could mean that the market is pricing in that it is going to be even better for the next quarter, 2021 Q1. Okay, that is the anticipation of the market on this stock that is going to report a better earnings, okay, in the next quarter. Okay, so that is how you use these two. So if you want to buy Goodway, you need to find out. Okay, let me go to the weekly chart again. Okay, weekly chart. Okay, I'll let me explain the candle to you. Weekly chart, you can see that this is what we call a shooting star in Japanese candlestick, a shooting star. Today is Wednesday. The stock is closing quite near the day high, right? So Thursday is holiday. Friday is the closing of this weekly candle. So if Friday is able to close near the day or near the week high, it means that this is no longer a bearish candle, because you see this. Okay, those of you who know Japanese candlestick, you expect the price to continue to fall. Am I right? Continue to fall. But this stock is doing otherwise. Okay, it's doing otherwise. It's going up instead. So it's telling you that the buyers in this stock is still strong. Okay, as you can see on the daily chart right here. Right, so Goodway, the chart, I will say as a chartist that it is strong. Okay, it is strong, stronger than the glove stock. Okay, so now let's come back to the FA. Okay, so for you to trade Goodway, okay, you must be confident in the way that the earnings, okay, is going to be better in Q1 than Q4. Okay, that is how you will decide whether to trade Goodway or not. Okay, so not all the stocks listed here are tradable. So you must make this kind of analysis. You click one, you look at the chart, buyer in control, you confirm the FA story, earnings growth story, and then if you are convinced, then you place a trade. Okay, so this is the whole stock selection process. So tonight, Bursa stock selection, this is what you learn. How to read the chart, how to read the earnings, okay, to find the stock to buy every day systematically.
Please subscribe our YouTube channel and open the bell to get the notification of our new video. Also like and follow our Facebook page.